James, is it Belafont? Did I say it right? Mr. Belafont, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? And you met with the prosecutor and you made a deal, yes? Did you read your rights form? You understand all those rights? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that added charge today freely and voluntarily? All right. If I take a plea from you to no valid operator's license on person, when we tell Secretary of State what happened today, they're probably going to suspend you for another period of time. You understand that? And understanding that, you're still willing to plead guilty? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended on February 15 this year? I'll accept your plea to the no valid operator's license on person, and I will dismiss the original charge. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? How long you been there? Getting enough hours? Good. And what do you have to do to get your license back? All right, one ticket? Where at? All right, you on a payment plan with them? What do you owe them? What do you owe them? Okay. All right. If I order 4 days on the work program, can you get here 8 o'clock in the morning? All right, fines and costs on this file, Mr. Belafont, $500. Can you pay that today or need options? Go downstairs, set up some kind of payment plan, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. All right, I'll work with you on the money. Whatever you want to do, I'll work with you on the money. Go downstairs and set that up. All right, good luck to you, sir. Kyle Lowry. Did I say it right? You're representing yourself, no attorney today?
Yes, Sean.
Did you read your rights form? Understood those rights? Understand the options those rights give you? All right, looks like you made a deal with the prosecutor. Says you've agreed to pay $150, plead responsible to a civil infraction, double parking, and the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Is that your deal? And can you pay the $150 today? Calendar over there, if you can see the dates, tell me when you can pay it.
I get paid for this week's.
That doesn't help me.
I guess it's gonna be Saturday.
Saturday? So are you getting paid this week?
No, okay.
So you paid the 15th. So you're gonna, yeah, I like Fridays. I kind of think in Fridays. So Friday the 15th, you get paid that week. So if I give you until the 22nd, you can get it paid?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So we don't process this deal until we get our money. So if you don't pay it on time, then you're still dealing with the misdemeanor. Understood? Any questions? Have a lovely day. Sadie White? Ms. White, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? You understand your rights? Okay. All right, we've got two files today. It looks like one, you made a deal with the prosecutor. You're going to plead to a double parking. You've agreed to pay $150, and we're going to dismiss the unregistered vehicle. That's from February 21. Then we've got another file. I don't know why this didn't get dealt with. Okay, we got another file. That's a Romulus from that same date. Drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, she's going to dismiss both of them. Ooh, that's a good deal. Okay. All right, and it looks like you already owe us money on some other stuff. What do we got here? On probation? Oh, you're on probation. Oh, you're on a delayed sentence for a violation of parental responsibility. All right, so you're okay there. You just got on that. Yeah. Okay. So when can you pay the $150? You mean tomorrow? No, I've been gone all week for a conference, so it feels like Monday for me. So next Tuesday. I'll give you till Friday. I don't care. Okay. All right. So Heather, I'm going to dismiss the DWLS, which is the A, and then we'll reduce the B the double parking. Okay, so next Friday, the 15th is your due date for 150. Any questions? You're all set. You're welcome.
In this courtroom session, Judge Oakley handled 3 different traffic-related cases, each showing how the court balances accountability with fairness. The first case involved Julian Hernandez, who originally faced charges related to operating a vehicle while intoxicated and driving with a suspended license. During the proceedings, the charges were reduced to less serious offenses, and Judge Oakley took time to ask about Hernandez's employment and driving status before ordering him to complete a work program. The judge also directed him to arrange a payment plan, emphasizing the importance of meeting court obligations and taking responsibility for his actions moving forward. The next case featured Lady White, who appeared before the court on matters involving an unregistered vehicle and driving with a suspended license. Following negotiations with the prosecutor, the original charges were significantly reduced and resolved through a lesser violation. Judge Oakley approved the agreement, imposed a fine, and dismissed the remaining files. The court also provided additional time for payment, demonstrating how plea agreements can help resolve cases efficiently while still ensuring that defendants are held accountable for their conduct. The final case involved Irwin, who faced multiple issues including driving with a suspended license as well as registration and insurance-related violations. Through a plea agreement, Irwin accepted responsibility for a lesser offense, leading to the dismissal of the remaining charges. Judge Oakley cautioned that future licensing issues could still arise if state requirements were not satisfied, highlighting the importance of maintaining legal driving privileges. At the same time, the court considered Irwin's personal circumstances, including work and family responsibilities, when discussing possible penalties. Together, these cases provide an interesting look at how Judge Oakley manages his courtroom, focusing not only on enforcing the law but also on encouraging compliance, responsibility, and positive steps toward avoiding future violations.